I think the water resource on itself cannot be privatized, but what can be privatized is some parts of the water management, like for example, maintenance, operation, construction, technological services. There are some success stories in this topic, like for example, the case of Singapore is very well known because really they achieve reclaimed water or reused water with great or high quality and with very, very great public acceptance. From the beginning, they involved all the citizens, all the stakeholders, so they increase the transparency, the confidence on this technology, and I think this was key and is the key of their success: transparency and information. Digital twins gather under the same umbrella all the information that we can collect from our real system, our physical systems. So they use all this information to give us a holistic insight about the performance of the system. And afterward, we can use new technologies like AI, advanced analytics, hydraulic models in order to take benefit from all this information and to make better and better decisions to improve the efficiency of the system and the sustainability of the system. When developing a digital twin, the first step is to deploy sensors in the network to have digital information of the network. Now it's easier because it's easier to deploy sensors, it's easier to have this information. So I think now it's time to start to deploy this kind of technology, and I think they are going to be very useful in the future to manage water distribution network in the same way that they were very useful in the industry for design and for manufacture a product. Really, countries without infrastructures or without access to this technology, really they need help. So it's very important to develop financial programs in order to allow them to have infrastructures. But it's also very important to develop training programs with the access to the right technology so that they are going to be able in the future to manage this infrastructure. Desalination is an alternative to produce drinking water, and sometimes the only alternative where there is not enough fresh water. It's true that this technology consumes a lot of energy, but in the last year some progress have been made, like for example new membranes with less consumption of energy, or the use of renewable energy to power plants, having for example solar desalination plants. In our activity, every step we take, we are consuming water. I think in the future, every product will show this information. So consumers will be able to choose those products with less water footprint. And even some water footprint benchmarks for products can be formulated. So that can encourage companies to reduce their water footprint. I think without water there is no life. Water is very, very important for us. So we have the opportunity today to take actions to change things in order to avoid the bad consequences in the future. I really rely on humans' intelligence to see threats and to react and to change their activity. So I think it's not too late, and what we have to do is to take actions.